Bitcoin is on the cusp of breaking $100,000 and could be happening as early as this week. In today's video, I'm going to show you why I believe Bitcoin could be breaking 100K, how high we're going to go, and also when are we going to see a correction with crypto, Bitcoin, some of the altcoins, but also the stock market as well. So if you're new to the channel, guys, subscribe because we post one video every single day. Guys, I'm going to cut the chase straight away and show you what's happening right now. We had a beautiful pump with BTC. As you can see from here, we were down a few days ago around the $94,000, $93,000. And of course, you can see from here, guys, I'm going to just highlight this point over here. As you can see, Bitcoin went down to $93,800 before exploding to the upside, reaching almost $99,000. And guess what, guys? Of course, with our VIP group, we just went and buy our calls. You can see my calls over here, Bitcoin long, and also one of my other pro members, Jeremy, calling as well for the same number. Let me just find it over here. You can see how much we do in the VIP group. Over here as well, we just find the absolute bottom, and of course, guys, the results talk for themselves. So if you want to join a proper community, guys, of traders, investors, long-term, short-term, guys, the VIP group is the way to go. We have analysis every single day about Bitcoin, altcoins, and so much more. So if you want to join, guys, link in the description. You can see a little teaser, also our trading results for the past 8 months. You will not regret it. But now let's go back into BTC and let's see what's happening right now. I'm gonna go and show you what I think could be happening probably until let's say tomorrow, and I want to show you here from here. At the moment, guys, looks like BTC is forming what we call an ascending triangle. You can see the shape over here which is forming right now. It looks like it's doing this, and then there is a pull from here, and then it's doing this, and right now it's trying to break this very important resistance. You can see that we have a line over here of resistance, and right now what we want to see from here is going to be a potential this, maybe this, and then finally big push to the upside. And if that is going to happen, okay, so the target I can actually see from here is going to be, we should be able to reach around 105,000 to 106,000 dollars, simply because you can see throwing our extension of Fibonacci around this area gives around 105,900, 106,000. And after that, I could be expecting more of a significant correction. Lots of people are going to call for 150K. RSI is going to show a proper bearish divergence from here. That's what I'm expecting once we're going to go to this point over here. And then what I could be seeing could be a sharp sell-off. So lots of whales are going to probably take profits. Could be happening maybe in the next few days, and then we should be seeing a correction to the downside. After that, I don't know what's going to be happening. Target for this correction could be as low as this line over here. So we can go also with the EMA to have a look. Could be as low as maybe $83,000, $82,000, and it's going to be, of course, very, very healthy. But I wouldn't be surprised if with this movement over here, we're going to form what we call a head and shoulder. So what I could be seeing right now could be maybe this is the formation of a shoulder. Then we are going to see a head over here at 106,000, then maybe another shoulder. And then once we break the structure over here, we should be seeing a drop down to this area at around 83,000. And after that, we're going to be seeing if BTC wants to go and continue higher or is going to go even lower. Well, that's another is a question for another day. But right now, that's what I can see. If we're going to be able to break this line over here, okay, so we need to break this point over here first, guys. We haven't broken yet, so the structure looks incredibly bullish. I can tell you, looking at this, we can go on even on the 4-hour chart and show you a little bit better. The structure looks very, very good. I can't really saying anything about this apart from it just touching here this line and just keeps going higher. Eventually, in my opinion, it will have to break this line over here. So very similar to what happened before when BTC was around. I think it was here, like around this area over here. You can see the same structure which was forming. So we went to, I'm going to show you and go back in time. So if I'm going to go over here, you can see exactly the same thing happen, that we were seeing at $90,000. Bitcoin kept going onto this line over here. We had this one over here, and then suddenly it was able to break through. So you can see, boom, once it can break to the upside, then it continues to go higher. And then the way you calculate is to go from here to here, and then bring it over here. And of course, guys, in the VIP group, we already discussed all of this in advance, of course, because we knew already what was about to come. But right now, of course, we can go and cancel all of that. Very similar situation as you can see. Of course, guys, do your own research. This is not financial advice, and really anything could happen. But I'm saying that statistically, right, this looks very good. We are really, really close to break this one over here. Also, we had a breakout. I was discussing this in a few videos ago, that we had a breakout, here. Once we were able to break out, that would be, very bullish. And right now, we could be seeing a retest, maybe around this area. I'm going to show you right now with the brush, maybe down to this area here, maybe 97,000, and then a strong push to the upside, break this level over here. So that's about it for Bitcoin, guys. So very exciting, but also remember, if we are going to, for example, break this line over here, okay, and we're gonna go down, let's say to here, I will be very careful, because the next move, if this happens, could be it drop to the downside and then up again. So basically, my scenario I'm expecting right now is gonna be one pump up to here and then correction down. The second one would be a potential dump, down to here and then up again. So doesn't matter if it goes down here, it's gonna pump it up again, or if it goes up to here. Of course, guys, with the VIP already have a plan in place. I already bought at 93,000, so I don't really care right now. We are in gains, we are making money, so doesn't matter what BTC is going to do. My theory is going to be that we're going to be see a breakout. It looks very, very bullish. I think it's gonna break out sooner rather than later, and we should be seeing this and also this to up $106,000. So very exciting times. Next thing I want to show you guys, very important as well, the reason why I think Bitcoin could be having, as I said before, a push to the upside is also in relation to the Bitcoin dominance. You can see Bitcoin dominance had a big drop down to roughly they go 54%. Altcoins started to pump. Bitcoin was actually losing value, and right now you can see the altcoins are suffering a little bit, and you can see that because the BTC dominance is trying to climb back up. But I think what is actually happening right now is only a corrective move, because we broke a very important structure over here. You can see we had a support over here, and also over here, right? We broke the support, around this area. And in general, as you can see, for those of you who are new to the channel, the Bitcoin dominance is the percentage of money which is placed into Bitcoin by institution. Whenever the Bitcoin dominance is going down, altcoins tend to go up. Whenever this one goes up, Bitcoin goes up and altcoins go down. So right now, you can see money is flowing from BTC into from altcoins into BTC, and in general you see BTC raising in prices and altcoins to go down, but it's actually perfectly normal. Like, the altcoins needed a little bit of a cool off, and you can see right now Bitcoin is probably going to go up to here around 58,000, then it might have a rejection and then to continue to go down, reaching maybe 50%. When it reaches 50%, altcoins are going to go crazy. And to show you the charts I showed you before, once you're going to go up to, let's say, 105, I'm expecting a correction down to probably here, 85, 86. This is when we're going to see the altcoins to go completely insane. So it's going to be a very good time ahead. And the next one I want to show you as well, guys, when am I going to sell in this market? I think we are still really far away from, I would say, the sell-off period. You can see the crypto total market cap right now. 3.45 trillions, cup and handle pattern in the making. RSI still hasn't converged with this last point over here, and we should be seeing more upside to come, targeting around the 4.5 to even $5 trillion in market capitalization. So, which means that basically we're still not at the top of this bull market, but we had to be a little bit careful. Another reason why I think that we're going to continue to go higher is also the US 2 years treasury yield, guys, still sitting around 4.14, which means that if I invest money with the US government, I get back around 4.14%. Let's say if I got $10 million, I can go back 400K pretty much doing nothing, which is actually pretty good. But right now, you see crypto going up like crazy. Of course, people are going to take money away from here, put them into crypto, because it's going to give them much more profits. And you can see right now we were forming as I really predicted a long time ago, a head and shoulder pattern. You can see right now we are pretty much, we have been retesting this area. We're getting a rejection, and we should be seeing this sort of like 1, 2, 3 down to here at 2.864. Once we're gonna go to this area, guys, I'm expecting Bitcoin probably 120, 130, altcoins to go completely insane. That's the nature of the game. But once we're gonna go down to here, guys, it's gonna be time for me to get out. I'm gonna get out. I'm probably gonna sell everything I have, and then I'm gonna wait for basically this to happen. When this happens, guys, it's gonna be very nasty for all the risk assets. So be very careful if you're gonna be in crypto. Now, some of the catalysts which could be helping us to push Bitcoin to 100K this week is gonna be, first of all, guys, today the initial jobless claims very important. If it comes in within expectation, is going to be very good. But also tomorrow, U.S. unemployment rate and employment report. If you're going to see an employment report coming good, unemployment rate also coming at 4.2, 4.5, or something like that, that's going to be very bullish catalyst for crypto to continue to go higher. We don't want the unemployment rate to be too low or too high, simply because too low, it means the economy is strong, the Fed won't cut interest rates, and too high, it means that we're going to fall into a recession. So investors are going to basically take the money away from BTC. So we have to be very careful. Next one, guys, very important. I'm going to show you right now about the stock market, and then at the very end, I'm going to show you the couple of coins which I am looking right now. So first of all, it's going to be the S&P 500, guys. It looks like, if you look at the monthly chart, we have basically formed a bull flag over here since 2020. Right now, we are completing the bull flag, taking this one over here and then placing it over here. You can see that we could be reaching a target of roughly 6,600, 6,700. And I think we are at the last innings of this bull market. Maybe we can push, let's say, up to this area over here around January, February. After that, I would be very careful to continue with this market because everything is overextended. So I want to see Bitcoin going to 120, 130, altcoins doing like a 4x, 5x, and then I'm out. So first altcoin I'm really looking at right now, I think you can do very well, is going to be Rune. Rune, you can see from here going on a regular scale, but sometimes people use the logarithmic scale. You can see once you're going to be able to break this area, okay? So not right now, but once you're going to be able to break the $8 mark, so we're going to around this area here, $8.20, we should be seeing room to continue to go higher and to go way, way higher than what is right now. You can see that right now, we are at this level over here. I could be seeing at least a pump up to this golden pocket area in between 13,600 and 17,000. So maybe around $14 to $15. That could definitely be on the cards. You can see this probably bull flag formation coming this way. Definitely is going to go like around $14 to $15. Is it going to go higher? Well, depends on how the whole crypto market is going to perform. But I would say, because this coin has already been bashed like crazy, I would say that my maximum target for Rune is going to be around $34. I don't think it's going to go up to, I don't know, $87, $75. Again, I might be totally wrong, but if you're going to go up already to, let's say, $17, $18, I'm going to probably be selling. If you go to $34, I'm going to run away. I can tell you straight away. It's going to go, higher. Well, good to all of you guys, to the moon boys who are going to hold forever. But if it goes down, guys, again, if it loses 80%, good luck with that. So be very, very careful. But guys, Rune has so much room to grow up, so we can see something very good. Next one I want to show you as well, ING as well. ING looks amazing. I like this chart over here. Again, looks like a potential ABCD pattern, sort of like a bull flag formation from here. Broke from the bull flag, continue to go higher. The pole goes over here, bring it over here. We can see as well with the Fibonacci extension, higher point, lower point, bring it over here. You can see exactly matching the 1.618 Fibonacci, going even from the previous top of the previous bull market. You can see around here. So I would say March, April 2025, I could be seeing ING reaching around $70. Is it going to go higher? Well, 100%. You could even go as high as $174. Do you think you can get there? Well, I don't know. But once you're going to get to $70, $85, I'm going to probably sell a big chunk of it. I'm going to be very careful when it comes to this bull market, and of course I'm going to buy cheaper if everything allows. But right now it's about risk to reward. I'm not a moon boy, I'm a professional trader. I play with a big amount of money, And therefore, my rule number one is do not lose money. And number two is protect your money. So be very careful when you trade, guys, because I've been through many cycles and you can get wrecked into this market over here. I know there is a euphoria, but once you get to here, be careful because things can change in a blink of an eye. That's it for today, guys. I really hope this video was helpful for you. So let's see how we go with BTC. But otherwise, guys, I said before, join the VIP group, best community on the planet. We're doing very, very well. And of course, I'm going to see you tomorrow for another video. Take care and see you soon.